Hi, my name is Irvin, and in this video we will talk about Mac hosting. A lot of people don't know what Mac hosting is or how it works, so I'm going to break it down for you in this video. So let's get started. Mac hosting is a great option for businesses that want to use Apple products and need a reliable hosting solution. It's perfect for companies that have a lot of data that needs to be stored securely, or businesses that need access to Apple-specific features like iCloud or FaceTime. What is Mac hosting? Mac hosting is a virtual private server hosting solution that provides users with dedicated resources specifically for the Mac operating system. A Mac hosting solution allows users to have their own isolated environment and infrastructure resources, such as memory, storage, CPU, and bandwidth, in order to host Mac applications like websites and web servers. This type of hosting gives users complete control over their virtual environment with full root access, which allows them to install custom software applications. Why would you want to use a Mac for your hosting needs? Macintosh hosting is an excellent choice for developers who are looking for a dependable, secure, and flexible web hosting. The macOS platform is specifically designed for the needs of developers, making it highly suitable for website development and maintenance. With a Mac VPS server, developers can enjoy increased performance and reliability compared to other Windows or Linux hosting. Also, with Mac VPS hosting, businesses can save money while still getting the scalability they need as their website grows. As an example, instead of buying MacBooks for all of their employees, they can simply rent a MacBook in the cloud with full access and full desktop control. How can you get started with Mac hosting? If you're looking to get started with Mac hosting, UltaHost provides a great solution. With our Mac VPS service, you can quickly and easily deploy your Mac applications, databases, websites, and any other services. Our user-friendly interface makes managing your hosting environment easy and efficient. Our reliable customer support team is always available to provide assistance when needed. To get started with Mac hosting with UltaHost today, simply sign up for an account on our website and follow the provided instructions. Getting started with Mac hosting on UltaHost is quick and easy. To start, head to ultahost.com/mac-vps-hosting. Choose a hosting plan that best meets your needs. Once you have chosen a hosting plan, you'll be asked to select the location of your server. After selecting the desired operating system, you'll need to configure server settings such as RAM, disk space, number of processors, and other preferences, if you need extra power over your default resources. Choose the Mac operating system of your choice, such as Ventura or Monterey or anything else. Once you're ready, press on Continue. Fill your information and pay the invoice, and in the next 5 minutes, you'll receive your server login info by email. Once you have your access information, press on the ultavds.com link. Once the page is loaded, press on the Launch Client button. Use your own login credentials and password, which has been sent to your email inbox, to log in to the main panel. From the right side of the panel, open the tree view UltaVDS and the data center you have chosen. Then press on your email account, which is our Mac server in our case. You can choose between Remote Console or Web Console to launch your own Mac computer. If you choose to go with the VMware Remote Console, which is the most popular choice, press on the Install VMRC link. Then choose the OS, either Windows or Linux. It depends on your computer operating system which you are using. Then press on Download Now. Once you're done with installing the VMware Remote Console, select the second radio button choice and press on Launch button. The VMware will start loading your Mac server. Once it's fully launched, you're free to use your Mac server as you like. In our case, we'll be installing Xcode to do some iOS development for our mobile app project. Our macOS hosting plans are perfect for businesses and professionals who need the power and flexibility of a Mac computer without the high price tag. UltaHost makes the entire process easy and convenient by providing helpful customer service representatives who can answer any questions or concerns you may have throughout the purchasing process. UltaHost Hosting is a cutting-edge hosting provider that utilizes the power of NVMe disks, which are 7 times faster than traditional SSDs. Our plans come armed with additional security layers, firewalls, and free unlimited server migrations from any host, giving you unparalleled peace of mind. Don't settle for anything less secure when it comes to protecting your data. Choose UltaHost Hosting today and experience next-level hosting speeds like never before. With UltaHost, buying a Mac server has never been easier. Head to ultahost.com to get started. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and helpful content like this.